Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna compare 4 Hermes bags I have. We'll talk about the leather, color, which season is good for each bag. I'm gonna start with the entry bag. So when you think about Hermes, you think about Kelly or Birkin, right? But before you are able to get quarter bag, which is like Kelly, Birkin, you can have like something entry bag like Evelyne or Picotin. So these two bags are perfect for entry bag because the price is pretty good compared to Birkin or Kelly. This is Evelyne TPM, which is 16, and this is Picotin 18. Both are the smallest size from each bag. I was really enjoying wearing Evelyne TPM size during the summertime while I'm traveling because you can wear as a crossbag and it's like very casual bag, so you can really enjoy wearing it. It's hands-free, so that's a big good thing about this bag. And this Picotin is a little bit more ladylike compared to Evelyne because it's tote bag. It doesn't have any shoulder strap. It's not hands-free bag. It's very light, easy to carry. It's a natural shape, so I like cotton as well. These are really like perfect for entry bag. This is usually like a US dollar 1800, so it's really affordable to start to buy Hermes bag. So I highly recommend if you like casual bag, start with Evelyne bag. Picotin 18 size. This one is also lightweight. If you like tote bag, I highly recommend this one. But this one is over $2,000 US dollar. This one was almost $3,000 actually because it's a little bit unique leather. Yeah, a little bit more expensive. Normally, Picotin 18 costs starting with $2,700. But up to the leather, price varies. So both are very good, affordable to start with. This one is Morris leather, which is more rigid compared to Glamour's leather. Glamour's leather has more bigger like grain when you see, and Morris leather has more smaller grain. And yeah, you can see it's like structured. Let me show you. Handle doesn't fall. It keeps the structure because Morris leather is more rigid leather compared to Glamour's. But when you see the Glamour's, by time, as you can see, it's bulging out. Not structured, very smooth leather. Each leather has pro and con, but yeah, it's up to your taste, what you like. So yeah, these two are perfect for entry bag. So let me compare Kelly and Birkin bag. So this one I got, this is my both are quarter bag, as you know. And I got Kelly first and then Birkin this time. And I can talk about which one is better for daily bag. I would say Birkin is more daily bag because of the size. This is Birkin 25 and you can wear like casual style. It's tote bag, but maybe because of the color is black. Yeah, it was really like versatile. For any outfit I can match, and like it's like grab and go bag. So I really liked it. Yeah, and Kelly, because it is cellular, as you can see, the stitch is outside, right? It's sewn from outside, which is cellular. So the cellular has more structured and rigid look. So it looks a little bit more formal. Yeah, I would say. But because of the color, this is gold color and this is black color. It goes well with any outfit, I would say. It's like a neutral color. But in case of Kelly, because it's cellular, I would say this one is more for formal outfit. It goes well with like a jean with a knit top, and I would say this is a little bit bigger than Birkin, so it's more like for winter, I would say. So it goes well with winter outfit, I feel like, because it's cellular and a little bit bigger. But the Birkin, I can wear with any like outfit from summer. It goes well, matches well with any outfit. So I really like the Birkin over Kelly for now. When it becomes winter, we'll see. I'm gonna use Kelly more than Birkin for sure. And let me talk about the leather. So Birkin 25, this is Togo leather. And Kelly 28, this is Epsom leather. Epsom leather, as you know, has more kind of artificial, but like a very rigid look. But it's lighter than Togo leather. Actually, because Togo leather can be heavier than Epsom leather, I chose smaller size for Birkin. But Togo leather has more soft natural look, but Epsom leather has more rigid and structured look. So it's up to you what kind of leather you prefer. You can choose. I would say Togo leather I love for Birkin, and Epsom leather I love for the Kelly. So as you can see, I put the bag in order. From here, it's more rigid leather, and here it's more soft leather. So the Epsom, okay, let me show you. The Epsom leather is more rigid, stiff leather and more structured. Morris leather, which is Picotin's, yeah. Morris leather is also structured, rigid, a little bit stiff, but it has a little bit more soft feeling compared to Epsom. The Togo leather is soft leather compared to Epsom or Morris leather. And the Clemence is the most soft leather among these. It's up to what kind of leather you prefer, up to the bag, up to the shape. I really like Morris leather. It's like a rigid, structured, not hard surface like Epsom, so I like it. And Togo is also good, but a little bit heavy. Clemence, I don't know, the bag is smallest, so I feel like it's light compared to Togo. But yeah, I think Togo, Clemence is very similar, and Epsom and Morris is very similar. Yeah, but Clemence is the most soft leather. Yeah, how was it? Hope you liked the comparison and hope it helped to choose your bag for the future. And tell me which bag is your favorite or which leather is your favorite. Yeah. And probably next week, I gonna get one of this bag in another color. So wait for it. That's it. So see you in next video. Bye.